Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a little tutorial about how to get your bacon perfect and crispy in an RV oven. First thing you want to do is to look in and make sure your pilot light is lit. I look for the reflection of the little blue dot. It's too hard for me to get up under and see. So I noticed the first time the bacon was just sitting in its own grease and it made it very greasy and gross. So I got 2 sheets of aluminum foil out. I made the ridges so it was peaks and valleys so I could lay the bacon over it and do a where the grease would fall below. So now I just drape the bacon over. You want to make sure and tuck in the sides. You don't want bacon dripping down onto your oven surface. None of these things were things I thought about before being in the RV because I had different pans, but in the RV there's just not enough room, so I have to make multiple uses out of the same pans and be creative. In the bacon goes. I set it for about 375 and about 15 to 18 minutes later, depending on the crispiness, there is the bacon. It is done. Perfection, not in its own greasiness, and everybody loved it. It was a perfect breakfast.